Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gan of Python. In the last tutorial, we have covered the pandas function. Now in this tutorial, we will cover some more stuffs inside this pandas function. So let's get started, guys. These are the functions that we will cover in this tutorial, that is describe, sample, fraction, and with replace and without replace. How these are all functions will work in this pandas function, that is data frame, and as well as in this series we will see with the example. So let's get started, guys. I have already imported the package and I have called my data. Okay, then I have made one series as well. So let's get started, guys. First of all, we will see the describe function, how this will work in the data frame. So simply we have to call the describe and you will get the statistic information about your data. What is statistic information? That means count, mean, standard, minimum, 25%. These are the statistic information of inside your data. And one more thing in this, we are getting only numeric data, that is employee ID is a numeric data, age is a numeric data, marks also is a numeric data. That information only we are getting over here in this describe function. So if you want this statistic information about your data, just put the function that is describe, then you can find your statistic information of your data. Now we'll go further, that is we'll see sample, how the sample function will work. First of all, we'll see in the series. I have made a series A. I will call that series, then I will use a dot sample. How the sample function will work, we will execute this one, we will get the random value in from this A series. So this 2 is a index value. Okay, these are the index value, these are the elements inside your A series. Okay, once you will execute one more time, you will get the different data. Once you will execute one more time, you will get different data. If you execute n times, you will get n times data, means you will get random data, you will not get the same data. Okay guys, if you want the number of elements from your series, so put n equals to how many elements you want from the series, just put that one. Let's say 3, I want 3 elements from the series. Once you will execute, you will get the 3 elements from the list, from the series. You can change that as well. 4, you will get this accordingly, how many you have put over here, that element you will get from your series. Okay, now next guys, if you here also, if you execute number of times, you will get random data. If you want the same data, whether you are executing one time or n times, so in that case put random state. You inside this random state you can put the any value. Let's say I will put 1. Once you will execute, you will get this 3 2 5 1. If you execute one more time, you will get the same value. See, 3 2 5 1. Once you will execute, you will get same value. Okay, so what this random function will does, it will give the same information, same data, once whether you will execute one times or n times. Okay, so if you execute this same with the random function 1 in the other computer or other PC, so you will get the same information what I am getting over here. Okay guys, so the random function will work like this. Now we'll see the next one, that is fraction. Simply we have to do the a dot sample, then inside this we have to put the fraction. Fraction means how many percentage data you want from your series. Let's say I want 50% data, so simply we can put 0.5, will get the 50% data. If you want 70% data, you can put 0.7. so like this fraction will work, guys. Now we will see the next, that is with replace, without replace. See, in this I will remove this random state, I will put replace equals to true. Okay, what the output will get over here. See guys, if you put replace equals to true, see we are getting the duplicate data, means we are getting the same data. See 1 2 means first index we are getting 2, and here also first index we are getting 2. So if you put replace equals to 2, you will get the repeat data. Okay, If you put the false over here, you will not get the repeat data. See, the repeat data we are not getting over here. You can execute number of times, you will not get the same data. You'll get you should get the different data when you will put the replace equals to false. So like this work, guys. Now we'll go further. That is, now we have looked all the functions inside this series. Now we will see how this work in data frame as well. We will call our data, then simply we can put the data dot sample, same what we have did in the series. You'll get the random data. If you put the n equals to 3, you will get the number of data. If you execute one more time, you will get different data. Okay guys, now you can put random state also over here. Random state, if you put, you will get the same data. Let's say I will put 10. Once you will execute, if you will execute one more time, you will get the same data. Okay, now in this you can put the that is replace or replace equals to true, so you can put that as well. See, we are getting the duplicate data, means we are getting the same data. Okay, so like this it will work, guys. Hope this will make sense how this all function will work in series as well as in data frame. So if you have any query in this, guys, please comment me in the comment box, and in the next tutorial we will see some more pandas function, some more pandas tutorial. So thank you guys.